I turned $3,000 into $13,000 only in a matter of 2 weeks doing nothing but holding onto a single NFT. If you want to know about the most promising NFT project of 2022, make sure you watch this video until the end. Hello everyone, my name is Ali. Welcome to my YouTube channel where we talk about the best innovative ways to invest. If you are enjoying the content, please hit that like and subscribe button and notification bell so you won't miss out on the best investment opportunities and you get in early in some new exciting projects. It's also the best way to support the channel so I can keep making new videos for you and give you the lowdown on the new investment opportunities that nobody's talking about. Now, let's get into the video. Almost 3 months ago, I found a spark within me to learn about NFTs. People were talking about it, and I thought to myself, it doesn't hurt to at least do some research. So I started looking up NFT projects, and many big names popped up. But amongst all of them, I chose Veve since it was the most promising platform to buy digital collectibles. Let me show you a glimpse of what makes Veve special. According to the owner of Veve, a company called Ecomi, Veve is an app-based marketplace for premium licensed digital collectibles. With Veve, users can obtain common, rare, or one-of-a-kind digital collectibles, customize and showcase them in the virtual showrooms, as well as buy, sell, or trade collectibles with other Veve users, all from the palm of their hands. After I used Veve for a while, I realized that this app has so many great NFTs of famous and loved characters. They have digital collectibles from very popular brands such as Marvel, DC, Disney, Pixar, Star Wars, Givenchy, Coca-Cola, and so many other great brands. Veve is what I think the next generation of NFTs are. Why, you might ask? The reason is that they provide a lot of great features other than just being a JPEG. Most Veve NFTs are in 3D and you can move them around and rotate them to really see the artwork that went into making these digital collectibles. You can also showcase them in VR or virtual reality in a place called a showroom where you can keep all your collectibles and it works as a vault. The revolutionary technology that they are providing to the users is AR or augmented reality, where you can place your NFTs literally anywhere you want in real life and take pictures with them. In addition to that, some NFTs are animated and that adds an extra value, which is very cool. After seeing all this, I thought to myself, this platform is providing so many cool new features that we don't see from other NFTs out there. So I went ahead and invested $600 after a week of working on this app. I was able to turn that into $1,200 3 weeks later, which was great. Imagine doubling your money in less than a month? That's crazy. But how did I make $10,000 just by holding on to an NFT? Well, after researching a lot of my time on the best NFTs on this platform, I concluded that this bad boy right here is an NFT that I can afford. I'm sure it will increase in value soon. It's also good to add that, as you can see here on this graph, I purchased my Batman around January 1st for almost $3,500, and the price 2 weeks later on January 16th was around $13,500. If you go to the app right now, you will see that the prices are a little down, and that's because of a gem squeeze that's been happening, and we will get into the detail of that in the future videos. But what makes my Todd McFarlane Batman so special? As we said before, in the NFT world, firsts are very important, and we talked about this in detail in my last video. Make sure to check it out if you've been thinking about purchasing an NFT, since it's a guide on the best ways to find a good NFT project. As we said before, an NFT that is the first in any shape or form can hold an extra value. Like the CryptoPunks that are the first ever NFT project to blow up, and the cheapest one now in the market is around $200,000. Batman NFT that I purchased is the first ever NFT on Veve. And according to the NFT community, it's also one of the first ever Batman NFT, DC NFT, and Superhero NFT that was minted on the blockchain. Even one of these features is enough to make an NFT stand out. So having all these attributes combined can make an NFT a super special one. Also, Batman is like a brand itself. You can hardly ever find a person that has never heard of Batman before, and there are so many fans out there who are willing to purchase the first ever Batman NFT on the blockchain. It's also good to know that I didn't make money just by blindly holding some NFTs, but I used some smart and innovative ways, some of which I came up with on my own, and I'm super excited to share it with you. I know that buying a good NFT and trying to maximize your profit on an NFT investment could be really confusing, since we usually have no clue of what these NFT projects are going to do in the future. However, I believe the best way is to see which project is more futuristic and can stand the test of time. If you want to know what NFTs to buy, make sure you check out my future videos, as I will talk about the NFTs that I'm most bullish on. As always, please make sure you hit that like and subscribe button to support the channel, turn on the notification bell, and write your comments, as I love interacting with you guys in the comment section. And make sure you let me know if you have any questions or even recommendations for my next videos. Thanks for taking your time to watch the video. Have a great rest of your day. See you next time. Peace.